We now move on to question number 2A. It carries 10 marks. It is related to rectification of errors. So we take up the first one. A purchase of goods from R amounting to rupees 10,000 has been wrongly entered through the sales book. Mind you, they are saying it is recorded through the sales book. This was a purchase. It should have been recorded in the purchase book, but is recorded in sales. Therefore, the rectification for it will be purchases account debited to R's account, because we have made the purchases from R. Go to the second one. Furniture purchased for office use amounting to rupees 25,000 has been entered in the purchase day book. What is furniture? An asset. And where have they recorded? In the purchase book, which is wrong. So we are rectifying it. The rectification will be furniture account debited to purchases. You go to the third one. Minor repairs to furniture account amounting to rupees 1,500 were debited to furniture account. Now what you are doing? You are making repairs to the furniture, and they are using the word minor repairs. So it is a general expense and therefore cannot be capitalized. The rectification for that would be repairs to furniture account debited to furniture account. Go to the fourth one. Wages amounting to rupees 3,000 paid to workmen for making office furniture has been charged as wages account. Now again here, you have paid wages to the workers. Okay, that's fine. But for what have you paid? For making furniture. So it needs to be capitalized. So it cannot go to wages account. So the rectification for the same would be furniture account debited to wages account. Then going to the fifth one. Tuition fees of proprietor's son rupees 25,000 has been debited to audit fees. Now it is of the proprietor's son. So it is related to proprietor's drawings, personal expense. Therefore, how can it come in the audit fees account? Therefore, the rectification for it would be drawings account debited to audit fees. Now going to the sixth one. An amount of rupees 10,000 due from Mohan, which had been written off as bad debt in the previous year, was unexpectedly recovered and has been posted to the personal account of Mohan. Mind you, Mohan had to make some payments to us, but we were doubtful of it and therefore we wrote it off. But now what has happened? Mohan comes and makes the payment. Therefore, what's the rectification for it? Mohan's account debited to bad debt recovery account. Going to the seventh one. Goods cost being 7,000 and sale price 10,000. Distributed as free samples amongst prospective customers. Now you have distributed goods as free samples amongst the customers. Therefore, what will it be? It's not a sale. It is supposed to be an advertisement. Therefore, the entry would be advertisement account debited to purchases. Then you are having the eighth one. Goods amounting to 1,000 returned by a customer. G and company were entered in the sales day book and posted there to the credit office account. Now this is returned by the customer. So when it's returned by the customer, where should it be recorded? In the sales return book. But they have wrongly recorded in the sales day book. Therefore the entry will be G's account debit 2,000 to sales 1,000, where it should have gone to sales return 1,000. Now coming to the ninth one. A bill of exchange received from SS and Company for rupees 10,000 had been returned by the bank as dishonored and had been credited to the bank and debited to bills receivable account. Now we had given the bill to the bank, discounted it, but when the bank went to the acceptor of this bill, it was dishonored. So the bank has returned this bill back to us. Now we are making the rectification for it. SS and Company, who had accepted this bill, their account needs a debit to bills receivable account. And coming to the 10th one, a bills receivable for rupees 2,500 was passed through the bills payable book. See, a bills receivable passed through the bills payable book. Again, it is wrong. Therefore, the rectification for it would be bills payable account debit to bills receivable account.